The Lefant M3 Robot Vacuum is equipped with an impressive 12,000 Pascal suction power, making it exceptionally effective at removing pet hair, dust, and debris from various floor types. Its complete edge-to-edge cleaning capability ensures that no corner is left untouched, providing thorough coverage even in hard-to-reach areas. With a hands-free docking station, the M3 offers a truly automated experience, featuring a large dustbin and water tank, along with advanced mop washing and drying functionalities. Pet owners will appreciate the tangle-free brush system, which is designed to efficiently handle hair without clogging, ensuring seamless cleaning sessions. The vacuum's slim design and advanced obstacle avoidance technology allow it to navigate effortlessly under furniture and around obstacles, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage. Its smart carpet protection system intelligently adapts to different surfaces, lifting the mop when necessary to protect carpets, while offering customization options via the Lefant app.